Einstein's Relativity, the Special Theory and the General Theory. Chapter 8. The Concept of Time in Physics. Let us once again go back to our railroad embankment, with a straight, and possibly infinitely extended, railroad track. Suppose now that two bolts of lightning have struck the railroad track at two distant locations, A and B, along the railroad embankment. At this point, after observing the flashes of light from this lightning occurrence over the railroad track, I make the following assertion. These two lightning strikes at A and B occurred exactly at the same time or simultaneously. If I now ask you, my dear reader, whether this statement makes sense to you or not, then you will most likely answer my question with a decisive, yes, of course. But if I now press you with an additional question to explain to me the meaning of the statement more precisely and clearly, then you will slowly start to realize that the answer to this question may not be as simple as it appears at first glance. After some reflection, however, you may come up with an answer like the following. The meaning of this statement is pretty clear in and of itself, and this statement requires no further clarification or explanation, except that, of course, I may have to give some additional considerations in a particular case in practice. That is, if I am given the task of determining by observations whether or not the two events in the particular case actually took place at the same time or simultaneously.